is your spacious and beautiful living area. Look over here. This is an open kitchen concept which makes it more spacious. It's much more spacious with a huge master bed. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be doing the 3.5 BHK sample flight tour of Soulcrest by Bricks and Milestone, which is right here in Hennur North, Bangalore. And right now I'm standing on the actual land parcel. So the marketing office is just behind me, which is for temporary. And the actual site office, that is a marketing office, is getting ready right over here. The work is under progress and they are coming up with the main entrance right over the site itself. The land parcel starts from yours and goes up to 9+ acre. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview via this 3D model. So the project is spread across 9.3 acre of land parcel consisting of 6 elegant towers, with each tower of 2 basement, ground plus 33 floor, offering you 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities. Part of this project offers you 43+ world-class amenities like of a grand clubhouse, sports arena, here's the multi-purpose court, celebration area which includes party lawn, swimming pool, and here's a kids play area plus many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the location. Part of the project is located on Bill Chevalier Main Road in Hennur North, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this is the Bill Chevalier Main Road and this road on the back end side will take you towards Thani Sandra and the opposite side road will connect you towards Bidrahalli. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and the location part. So you can connect to New Airport Road in next 3.7 kilometers. Hennur Bangalore Road is also 3.7 kilometers away and even Decathlon is just 4 kilometers away from this location. So this is your 3.5 BHK model flat of 2000 square feet, super built up area. Let's have a look at this beautiful sample flat. So before you step in, let me show you the digital door lock which comes up for your privacy and the security purpose. And here's a foyer area so that directly living and the dining area is not visible. You can have a look at the anti-skid, vitrified flooring, here's the ceiling height and you can add up the shoe rack right over this side. Now let's enter towards your living and the dining area. So this is your spacious and beautiful living area. First have a look at the living area where you can add up your sofa set, your TV unit space, your couches, and the dining area which is right behind your living area where you can add up the huge dining table. So easily 6 to 8 seater of dining table can fit over here. Additionally, here's a niche area where you can use in a multi-purpose way. You can add up multiple things. Now about the balcony. So here's the balcony. So once you step inside the balcony, you'll call it, this is not just a balcony but a huge deck area, comes with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony is 3-side open. So it will give you perfect open view of a city and the skyline. Now let's move further to check the rest of the house. So we'll be moving further towards your kitchen area. So your kitchen area is right over this side. And as you can have a look over here, this is an open kitchen concept which makes it more spacious. Now once you step inside the kitchen area, interior says that basically the layout is in a way that you can add up your parallel fitting platforms. Here's a provision for your 2 machines and the beautiful interior work done with the cabinets, the white goods, and additionally the utility area which has a window as well for ventilation and lighting purpose, a sink area. So this was all about the kitchen area. Now we'll be moving further towards the bedroom space, and 2 bedrooms are on the one side. On the way right over the side is the common washroom area with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. The shower area is divided via tile rope. Now about the bedroom number 1. So your bedroom number 1 is right over this side. So once you step inside this bedroom, you can have a look at this bedroom, the spacious one, So there's ample of space to move around in the room. Here's a bed space right in the center of the room. A window for ventilation and lighting purpose. So about the wardrobe space, you can add up your wardrobe right over here. You can even utilize this space as your work table, your study table, or whatever you can like. Now let's move further towards your next bedroom. So your bedroom number 2 is right beside your bedroom number 1. So once you step inside, you can have a look. Right over here is a bed space. So here's the bed area, the bed space, the wardrobe space just behind me. And you can even add up a study table over the side. A window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And this bedroom has a private washroom. So your private washroom is right over here. With anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. Again the shower area which is divided by a tile drop. So now we'll be moving further towards the rest of the bedroom, that is the 0.5 room and the master bedroom which is on the other side of the house. So you have to walk through your living and the dining area. But before that, let me introduce you with all the key feature of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All just for you. So you have to register on www.housey.com for your free site visit and grab all the key features. Now let's move further towards your 0.5 room. So your 0.5 room which is right over this side. So this bedroom is much more spacious. You can have a look over here. They have made it as a study room, the workspace. You can use this room in a multi-purpose way. You can add up the study table, the work table right over here. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. You can add up a wardrobe. And over this side, the couch which is placed, which is actually very good. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom. So your master bedroom is just beside this room. And once you enter, you can have a look, the flooring. And this bedroom is much more spacious with a huge master bed, that is a king size bed right in the center of the room over here. And basically you can add up your work table over here, the TV unit space. And this bedroom not just have a window but a beautiful balcony. So here's a private balcony with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will give you 3-side open view. You can enjoy a perfect city view. Now about the other side of the room is the wardrobe. So here's the wardrobe area, the huge wardrobe space. The dressing area which is right over here. So you can have a look here also. They have added up the wardrobe, the dressing area and the private washroom right on my left hand side. So here's the private washroom, that is a master washroom with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fittings. So this was all about your 3.5 BHK sample flat of Soul Crest by Bricks and Milestone. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here in Hennur location. Have you checked another project in Hennur location? If yes, then do let me know again in the comment section. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.